Right here, AULT, double top. Right now is a double top. A lot of momentum though. Big difference between up here double top and here double top, but still we got to respect that level, right? This is where we collect, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. But look at that stair step this time up. Super strong bullish move. Right here. Look at this nice bullish move. Let's see. Now look at, that's a doji. That's an indecision candle. That typically spells reversal. You see this candle right here? That's an undecided candle on a bull run is typically reversal candles. Just be careful. So you got right here, stair step up. Look at this. Everybody see this candle? It's doji.
Yes,
Right
Coach.
there. Yep. That usually spells, to me, I always just look at it as indecision. But if you looked at all of your charts and all your candlestick patterns, that actually spells reversal. I don't put all my weight into that. I just know that off of key critical levels, this is where I like to collect.
Coach, if you look at that same that high 64.37,
Yeah.
and look at your L2, there's the wall, right? There's 64.37.
Yep. Yep. That's funny. See, now I didn't even look over there. If I was actively trading it right now, I would definitely be looking at that. But I already know it.
Yeah, because of the doji.
Yeah, and I know it from here, 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 and here, right? Like I said, if I didn't have this available, I already know because we're up here on a triple top, right? So I already know the wall's going to be here because this is where it was already, right?
Yep.
So they all go hand in hand. I mean, all of this stuff works in your favor. And there goes the pullback. This is why I said you got a nice run up. So everybody, if you did get in this trade, this was the buy above VWAP, right? This is what we wanted. Then I added in when it stayed up here, right? Because this was strong to me. Then it continued to run. Now I sold out in here. You guys got to ride it all the way up to here. Just remember, I was in 10,000 shares. So even though it was a small amount, I still, dollar-wise, I still have to have my mind right to execute trades properly. So I don't care if the trade is 3,000 or 300,000. I don't care. I want to trade the trade the same. That way I never do anything different than what I normally would. Does that make sense, everybody?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes, Coach.
It keeps me sharp. That way I don't care if I click buy. No matter how much I'm doing, I will trade the trade exactly the same. This is pre-market. This is scalping. To me, that is in and out. Obviously, you can use these levels. If you small Danny DeVito toe into these areas, you can let it do just like we do. You got in at a good time, and you can let it run.